If you are wondering what does the purple or the gray arrow mean on your iPhone for location tracking, you are not alone. It has left many iPhone owners scratching their head with confusion. Frankly speaking, I have also been on the receiving end of this privacy feature on a few occasions. No longer follow along to bust the mystery of the arrow in the iPhone status bar and even take control of it. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and choose Privacy and Security. Then choose Location Services and then ensure that the toggle for Location Services is enabled. Now tap on System Services. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Next up, you should see the meaning of both the purple and the gray arrows. Note that a purple arrow suggests that an item had recently used your location. As for the gray arrow, it indicates that an item such as Find My, HomeKit, and more had access to your location in the last 24 hours. For a better location tracking experience, you can choose to show the arrow in the status bar. To do so, you can enable or disable the toggle for status bar icon as per your needs, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that these location services icons do not show up when the system services use your location on Apple Watch, so keep this important thing in your mind. I hope you have perfectly understood what an arrow means for location tracking on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.